Binder TV. We're here with Mr. Nick Rare, and we're going to be taking a closer look at his 79 SS2. Nick, why don't you tell us a little bit more about this vehicle?
It's not an authentic SS2. It's a 79 Scout 2, 304, 4-speed. Just got to be a rusty Scout like pretty much all of them. And it was cheaper and easier to go with a Kentrol fiberglass body. So I did an SS2 conversion on it.
And this Kentrol body, folks, very nice, very straight, very nice lines. If you weren't a super expert, you would never know that this had a fiberglass tub on it. Not everything's fiberglass, right, Nick?
Windshield frame, hood, tailgate are steel.
So this is a nice hybrid driver quality example of an SS2 clone. Very nice. And what's interesting is you call this a clone, but the VIN tag is in the correct location.
I did what I could do to make it look right.
Nick put the VIN tag in the right location even though this is a clone. So for those that aren't aware, that's kind of the differentiator between what people would consider a clone versus a non...
He doesn't have the snaps up here.
He doesn't have the snaps.
That's because I gave that dash to Paul.
Aha.
He has a
His
real
friend Paul.
He has a real SS2.
Right.
It'll never be real. It'll never be...
Right. But either way, this is just a really beautiful, beautiful vehicle.
I enjoy it.
There's so many people at the shows, though, you know.
Any future plans?
As is.
Not going to do a thing.
Not going to do
Mr.
a
Rare
thing.
is his motto is keep them original, keep them on the road, and keep them nice enough that you can drive them without worrying about every single person, bird, tree branch causing a problem.
Fantastic. Thanks for showing us that.
You're welcome.
We'll see you next time.
Mm-hmm.